Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We appreciate you being here as always. Today's adventure is going to involve the leftover ruins of an old water-powered cotton mill from the 1700s. Of course, like any water-powered cotton mill, or most water-powered cotton mills, they had to build a mill pond. So the dam for the mill pond was built in 1746 by William White Sr. But it wasn't until 1799 when the actual building, the stone water-powered cotton mill, was actually built on the property. And it helped feed the textile industry here in the city of New Bedford that's very close by. So it had a purpose, but it was known as one of the very first water-powered cotton spinning mills in the United States. So it has a very, very high significance in the history department. Of course, it had a fiery history. There was 2 fires. Okay, that mill it burnt down for the first time in 1830, and it was rebuilt in 1831, and then it burned again in 1854. It stayed a cotton spinning mill right up until the rebuild of 1854. When it was rebuilt in 1854, it was taken over and became a sawmill, and which operated right up until the 1900s. And that was operated by a gentleman named James Hamlin, which might be the reason why Hamlin Street runs right along the top of the mill dam that William White built back in 1746. So if you take Hamlin Street, which is the street that it's on, you're going to drive right over the dam, and to the right will be the ruins. Okay, guys? It's a pretty cool place. We really thoroughly enjoyed it. Its history significance is great in that it was one of the first spinning mills. And in the town of Acushnet at the time, there was pretty much nothing for employment in the town except for farming. So it provided jobs early on. It provided a lot of jobs here in the town of Acushnet that it is in. And we walked around, we filmed it. I want you to notice that there are some modern brickwork around some of the windows and a couple of the doorways, and that is an ongoing attempt to keep the building from falling apart any further. So anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We really do. We enjoyed the day. It was a beautiful day. It was a beautiful walking around. I was looking for snakes, I must say, but it was a beautiful walk around. And here we go.